Come on, Caesar.
This is great.
Caesar, come here.
It's on the floor. Take it off. Like it's eating right now.
This is hysterical. He's like, ah.
Cleo's like, what is going on?
Now it's coming back the other way.
Funny because his face is sticking out the end. He's like,
What, Julia?
That would be a great way to freak like a drunk person out or something.
my beer's moving,
You want a
man.
Bud Light? Here.
Oh, you can get out now, look. Good boy. He's like, I don't really want to get out. Yay!